Hello friends, welcome to KTM Design. Today make this type of easy exercise on SolidWork. Now first of all select new part. Okay. First of all choose all dimension are in mm, each 2 mm. Now click a front plane sketch. Now draw one center rectangle. Dimension length height 8 mm. Length is a 100. Extrude 45 mm. Now simply click OK and exit sketch. Now extrude boss base 45 mm. Enter. Now draw one section in this surface. Click, select and sketch normal. Now draw 2-point rectangle. Now draw 2-point rectangle. Now click 40 mm by 40 mm and click the 3-point arc. Click a center, one end point and another end point. Now see preview. Now click a delete internal line. Now simply extrude, exit sketch, extrude, reverse direction 20 mm. Now simply click OK. Now one more sketch, draw this plane. Now sketch normal and draw one line to this 3-point arc. Relation is in tangent. Now random line and get a relation in tangent. Now extend this line to this 3-point arc. Now click one more line. Now OK and OK. Simply extrude. Now yes, in reverse direction 10 mm. Now see preview. Simply click OK. Now this type of straight slot, draw this surface. Now sketch normal. Now draw one center line. Okay, now this slot is ready in first one. Now click this and give a length 20 mm. Now simply click diameter is 12.5 but we need in radius. Now 12.5 divided by 2. Now click 6.25. Now see, now OK and extrude cut through all. Now see result OK. See preview. Now select fillet and click this surface and 20 mm. Simply click OK. See, now sketch this surface, sketch normal. First of all draw center line. Now two circle in this sketch. Now 10 mm through all surface and 20 mm circle. 20 mm diameter circle is 6 mm deep. Now first of all 10 mm diameter through all surface. Now select this and dimension. Now click 10 mm. Now first of all exit sketch and cut extrude cut through all. Now see preview through all 10 mm diameter circle through all this surface. Now first of all, now second circle 20 mm diameter, select this surface. Now find a center circle. Now draw 20 mm diameter circle and 6 mm deep, means 6 mm extrude cut in this surface 20. Now feature, first of all okay, feature extrude cut in this surface 6 mm deep, means 6 mm extrude cut. Now see okay. Now see preview. Now select this surface, sketch normal. Now draw 2-point rectangle. Now click dimension 65 mm by 8 mm. Now see 65 by 8 mm. Now click OK and exit sketch, feature and extrude cut. Now through all. Now select through all. Now see preview. Now simply click OK. Now see our object is done. Now two mm fillet on all surface. Now see. Now click appearance. First of all see preview. Now click appearance. Now see preview. Final object. Like video, share video, subscribe channel for more video tutorial.